So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is ThePandaPhotographer, and last night, I made a video, a live stream. And every time I live stream New York City, YouTube has a habit of making it difficult for me to make revenue on the platform. It's not obligated, but when I put the efforts, when I put the resources, the money, the funds, to the budget, to the quality of these live streams, YouTube does not respect the sacrifices and the rough experience on the platform. So with that said, everyone, I'm showing you guys in real time, as I said last night in the live stream, YouTube was going to demonetize my video or block it, and they blocked it completely. It goes to show you, ladies and gentlemen, that YouTube doesn't care for creators. When YouTube, do you have anyone on staff that is evaluating these videos? Because it's not my doing if someone's playing music that's copyrighted in the background. That is not my responsibility. And mind you, this is a country of the free. I can't tell someone on the street, sir, I'm live streaming, stop playing music. That's not going to happen. So in that regard, everyone, I am in a situation where I'm the one being penalized for people exercising their freedom of speech. And YouTube uses that as a weapon to demonetize videos. So I'm sharing all of this information so you guys can have a better idea why I ask for your support financially, independently, because YouTube doesn't make it happen for me. Only you can make it happen for me, and only you can make the difference. This is why I ask for your subscriptions, your likes, your comments, and then you can financially support by joining my Patreon or financially supporting the channel directly with links down in those descriptions, like the PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, right? But as I explained to you guys before, I'm sorry I'm rotating as I'm talking. It does not make sense why YouTube blocked the video and as accusing me of wrongdoing. Keep this in mind, everyone. I'm the one that's being penalized with the copyright strikes, and I'm the one getting copyright strikes when I'm not physically playing these musics in the background. It's someone else, mind you, that is doing it. But YouTube keeps doing this. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've been warned that if you are making live streams raw and uncut, these are the sacrifices you're going to run into when making these type of live streams. If YouTube seems to not like something in your video, they will try to make an effort to make it to a point where they trying to say that it's just inappropriate. When nothing in this world is nothing in this world is perfect. Everything that we do is inappropriate. So, ladies and gentlemen, please support the channel financially and help the channel grow, because YouTube just keep demonetizing my videos, and it's not helping the cause and not helping me get out of, because YouTube helps other creators get out of situations or make them superstars. But when there's a physical person actually having events in real time and showing current events, and as a journalist, as a photographer, as a filmmaker, it's insulting that YouTube does this and plays favoritism. So please consider supporting the channel financially and joining my Patreon. I need to update that, but please subscribe, at least like and leave your comments so I can mention you in my live streams, the supporters. So with that said, everyone, you guys have a good day.